This is WAEC June 2019 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 13A. And the question says, in the diagram, this very diagram, line RS and line RT are tangents to that very cycle, and the center of the cycle is O. So line RT and line RS are tangents. As you can see, they touch that very cycle at just 1 point, and the center of that very cycle is this O. So the question further says angle TUS is 68, TUS is 68 degrees is marked. Angle SRT is X, look at it. SRT is X. And angle UTO is Y. UTO is Y is also marked. So the question asks is to find the value of X. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. Solution to the problem. Looking at this very drawing critically, it is this X that we have to find, and this X represented the size of the angle SRT. It is this angle. We have this angle 68. Looking at the drawing critically, this angle 68 is subtended by arc ST. Look at arc ST. Look at arc ST. Is the one that subtends 68 at the remaining circumference. And the same arc ST subtended this angle at the center. So I can find this angle at the center. That is angle TOS. TOS angle at the center to be equals to 2 multiplied by 68 angle at the remaining circumference. And the reason is angle at the center is twice angle at the remaining circumference. Multiplying 2 by 68 correctly gives answer 136 degrees. So this angle TOS is now 136 degrees. So I continue. My aim is to get the size of this angle X. So this RT is a tangent. RS is also a tangent. And from O to T is radius. From O to S is another radius, which means angle OTR, this very angle, is now going to be 90 degrees. And my reason is radius is perpendicular to tangent. This is another theorem. So this angle is now going to be 90 because radius is always perpendicular to tangent. Similarly, angle OSR, because OS is radius and this RS is tangent. So the angle between radius and tangent is always 90, is the same reason radius perpendicular to tangent. So if I have this angle 90, I have this as 90 also, and this angle is 136. I have 3 angles in this quadrilateral RTOS, which means I can find the fourth angle. So addition of these 4 angles, because they are angles in a quadrilateral, that will give answer 360 degrees. Let me just add. So you have angle X plus 90 plus this 136 plus this 90. The result is going to be 360 because they are angles in a quadrilateral. Sum of angle in any quadrilateral gives answer 360. So collect like terms here by the left, 90 plus 136 plus 90 give result 316. So you have X plus 360 equals to 360. Taking 316 to the right hand side becomes minus, so you now have X as 44 degrees after subtracting 316 from 360. So this is now the size of this angle X, or the value of X. With this, I have answered this question. So let me just share with you the mark distribution for this very question as it is there in the marking scheme. So the very first mark is the method 1 mark, and this method 1 marker, by using the theorem angle at center twice angle at circumference, when you multiply 68 by 2 in attempt to get this angle at the center, you have this method 1 mark. And when you now have the angle at the center as 136 degrees exactly, you have this accuracy 1 mark. And when you now have any of those angles using radius perpendicular to tangent, you have this bonus 1 mark. And when you now equate the 4 angles, or when you now add the 4 angles and equate to 360 degrees, you have this method 1 mark. And you now attempt to solve for x up to this level where you collected like times. You have this method 1 mark. And when you now have the size of x exactly as 44 degrees, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, this question has 6 good marks.